Hello everyone, you're watching a MOC channel, and today I will show my new creation. It's another one alternate build for the LEGO Creator set 31090, and I built from this set this construction machine, some kind of machine what is used on construction site. It slightly reminds this one, but I rebuilt it, hard rebuild. So here's a tower what can be rotated, and the jeep you may raise it up, down, even like this, in different positions. Here's a ladder to get access to the cabin. You may open cabin. Here's a door, lights on the top of the roof. You may take off the roof and get access to the cabin. I take minifigure from other set to show that it really fits minifigure scale. And here's 3 removable tools to grab something: pneumatic drill or maybe jackhammer, and a bucket. So you may put it here and may use bucket maybe to grab sand or something like this. Change on this tool. Grab this wheel, and to change jackhammer you may remove this part and place it here, and you may drill holes or maybe destroy some constructions, walls, or so on. You may erase these parts, but I don't like it. It will looks like this, but I don't like it. Here's a place for tools. Building instruction will be in the next video. If you like this creation, don't forget to press thumbs up, subscribe and press notification bell. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.